Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. We're excited to bring you a step-by-step series on building a complete hotel booking website. This is the first video in the series where we'll show you how to create and display detailed room information on an archive page with the help of MetaBox. You're probably familiar with popular booking platforms like Booking.com, Agoda, or Airbnb, but if you don't want to rely on them to avoid high commission fees or gain more control over your business, building your own hotel booking website is a great alternative. It allows you to manage reservations directly and customize the booking experience. A website of hotel booking usually has 4 common pages. The first one is the page for all the rooms along with their information. The second is the booking page in the back end for your internal use. A front-end page that allows customers to book the room they want is a must. And lastly, the booking management page in the back end. So, our series will follow these pages. For this guide, we'll create a room page like this. Each room is a post of a custom post type. The room name will be title of the post. For other room information such as images, price, and extra information will be saved in custom fields. As well as I use custom taxonomy to store types of rooms. Before going ahead, let's check some tools we need in this practice. To build a hotel booking website, we need many basic and advanced features. So, we highly recommend you use MetaBox All-in-One to have a framework to create custom post types, custom taxonomies, and custom fields. Also, it includes all the MetaBox extensions that you need for your creation. These are extensions you may need. MB Admin Column to display the room types as a column in the dashboard. It's optional. MB Custom Post Type and Custom Taxonomy to create a custom post type for the room and a custom taxonomy for the room types. MB Views to create a template for displaying rooms, and MB Builder to have a UI on the backend to create custom fields visually. Let's start now. Go to MetaBox, Post Types, and create a new one for the room. I have a special setting for the post type in the Supports tab. I disable the editor to skip the description of the rooms. All information about them will be added with custom fields. After publishing, a new menu will appear right here. It's your post type. These are some fields I created, for example. They're the basic fields. Just create one by one. Go to MetaBox, Custom Fields, and create a new field group for room information. Add the field type for your demand. In the case that you want to add more information, just choose the corresponding field type provided with Meta Box. After having all the fields, move to the Settings tab, set the location as Post Type, and choose the room to apply the fields to this post type. Now, go to the Post Editor and you can see all the fields here. Just enter the data for each room. These are some posts I have. As I mentioned before, I will use Taxonomy to save the room type. Go to Meta Box, Taxonomies, and create a new one. In the Advanced tab, you can enable this setting to show the taxonomy as a column in the admin dashboard. It's available only when you activate the MB Admin Column extension. Next, move to the Post Types tab. Select the room to apply the taxonomy to it. Then, you can see the new taxonomy here. Move to it and create some terms. In the Post Editor, you can see a section that allows you to select the term. They'll be shown in a column like this. You can use any page builder you're familiar with or MB views to display data on the front end. In this practice, I will use MB views. We have had many tutorials about how to display posts using MB views, along with different functionalities such as filtering and searching. You can refer to them. Negative to the views in Meta Box and create a new template for the archive page of rooms. In the Template tab, you can use this button to insert the field or add code directly. This is to declare that we'll get posts from the post type that has this slug. This number means we want to retrieve all the rooms. I use this Meta Box function to get posts. Since we have many rooms, we should use a loop to get them all. Inside this loop, let's get data for room information. Click on the button I mentioned before and insert the field from the right panel. I just get some data for the room like this. It includes the name, price, and number of adults and children. The name is the post title. When you click on a field, the code will be generated into the Template tab. You can find out the remaining information here. Just insert one by one. This is the simplest code to get and display rooms. I added some div tags and classes, as well as modified the code a little bit. In there, this part is for the images. It checks if the post has images in the gallery. The first image will be retrieved and shown. Now, scroll down to the Settings tab to set the location of this template. I set the type as archive and select this one to apply the template for the archive page of rooms. On the front end, all the data is displayed. But it needs to be made more beautiful. Back to the created template, move to the CSS tab. I add some code to style the page. This is to divide the posts into 3 columns. You can change this number as you want. Now, our page is better with the room information. That's the end of the first video of the hotel booking series. You can follow the next tutorial for more functionality for this website. We also have other guides on this channel where you can find the topic you need. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.